Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm your gracious brother Munib. I will talk to you on the basic topic of our daily life, the reward for the person having fast. Dear listener, it is a general topic. I will discuss to you its benefits, the person having fast, and the disadvantages and harmful effects on the person who do not perform, the people who do not perform this beautiful action in this meaningful performance, that in this meaningful duty that was obligated by Allah on all human. Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in his hadith, للصائم فرحتان فرحة عند إفطاره وفرحة عند لقاء ربه. A person having fast has two delights. He has two rewards by Allah. He will be given two rewards. The one reward, the one delight he will be given at the time when he completes his fast and began to eat. And the second reward he will be given at the time when he meets his Allah. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this hadith may be directionful for all the people who are unaware of this hadith. And Allah Rabbul Izzah, Allah Almighty, says in Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyamu kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum. Oh, you believer, you have been obligated the fast as it was obligated on the people who were before you. This means the month of Ramadan, the fast. This is the holy action. This is the holy duty that has been given to all the believers who were before us and who will come after us. This is a special action that has been obligated on all the people. In being a good doctor, an exemplar doctor, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam described these advantages and benefits of the month of Ramadan. There are so many diseases who can cause by avoiding of this the fast. So there are so many people, alas, in our society who are deprived of earning this good action, who are deprived of earning a good actions during this holy month. So I will advise you, all of you, to earn so many goods to help all the people who are in your neighborhood. Inshallah, you will be given a good rewards in the life hereafter. Wassalam.